One of the main question people ask is which machine is better, automatic sewing machine or a manual machine? Which machine is better for you? So let's find out in this video. I'm Dimple from stitchingmodel.com, and main reason why people are finding white plastic machine more attractive, the first reason is lifestyle and expectation change. Earlier, if you talk about 1940s or 1930s, if more number of hours are put into doing a work or more labor is put into doing something, even if it was making a cloth, then it was considered to be a better work, quality work. But now, even if you spend lesser hours, lesser amount of work, still the output, the finishing, the product is better, then it makes sense that you buy an automatic machine rather than being laborious and you're putting so many hours with your manual sewing machine. In that way, automatic machine saves your time and efforts, and you don't have to worry about your this backache or cervical or any other body pains. Rather than you can enjoy your sewing. Secondly, globally, if you see, the manual sewing machine production has also declined. In many Western countries, there are no manual machines, neither they are produced, manufactured, nor they are marketed. In that way, it makes sense to go for an automatic sewing machine that is just plug and play. You can just put it into the socket, the plug, and you can start stitching your dresses. And in India or in developing countries also, where there is enough power supply as compared to earlier times, so it makes sense that you save time, while with little electricity you can do your stitching work better. And the third point is that people are enjoying their hobbies, they are ready to invest in their hobbies and their relaxation pursuits. That way also, sewing is a very relaxive, productive hobby, and people don't mind spending a little more on their sewing hobby. Second part is comfort and convenience. Earlier, it was okay to put in number of hours on doing a work. You stitch a dress, then take it to outside to some tailor or some other shop, get the buttons done, hook or a picot and all those embroidery etc. done. But now when people have lesser time and they want everything instant, the life has become 2-minute noodle, everything is on click of a button. So it makes sense that you have a sewing machine that is upgraded, and that way you can just click the buttons or just move the buttons and you can get all the stitching, designing, embroidery, button fixing, picot, fall and everything whatever you want from your machine sitting at one place itself. You don't have to move, you don't have to go anywhere else, you don't ask help from anybody else. You can simply sit at one place and get your work done. In that segment, if you go for computerized sewing machine, then the work is even much easier, because there in the memory card your designs are saved. You just push a button and your design is duplicated as many times as you want for as many dresses. Third point is budget friendly. Now you may ask that how come automatic machines are budget friendly? Because they are comparatively expensive than manual sewing machine. But if you go for the features, the inbuilt stitches, patterns, and you compare the comfort of automatic sewing machines of getting everything done at one place and the time it saves, even if you compare the money, if your composite manual sewing machine costs you about 6,000 to 7,000 rupees, you can spend about 2,000 more and easily buy one Usha Genome Stitch Magic or Marvella or Singer 8280 or 1409, Singer 1408, Singer 1309 or 1308. In fact, you may buy Brother GS 2700 or 1400. So these are some machines you can buy within this budget range. And if you are a little skeptical about the durability or the body of the machine, that way those automatic sewing machine, they are they look very pleasing, the classic design, beautiful body and beautiful design. Whereas automatic your manual sewing machine, they are heavy sturdy machines, even if they may last for more than 30-40 years, but people prefer the comfort, convenience and best quality right now in the present, because you never know if you may need to hand over your machines to the next generation. So why not make the best use of your today and enjoy your sewing, your hobby. And even if you want your machine for your business, or you want to start a boutique business from your home, you may very well do that with your sewing machine. I hope this information is useful to you, and whatever is your choice, whatever doubts you are having or queries you have, please drop your queries in the below comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, subscribing the channel and liking the video. Take care, bye bye, see you in the next video.